Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Pisces Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Pisces and people, Sun controls your sixth house, and right now Sun is starting from your second house in the sign of Aries. Aries sign considered as the exalted sign for Sun, and Sun will stay into your second house till 15th May 2025. After 15th May, Sun will move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Taurus. Sixth house will be your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of work, your arguments, your court case, litigation, etc. Your health issues are also seen from sixth house. Your especially your acute health issues are also represented by sixth house. Your strength to withstand all the difficulties in your life also represented by sixth house. So your sixth house lord is right now present in exalted position into your second house. One thing is very important to mention here is that second house, sixth house, and tenth house. This triangle is always connected to your earnings related matter and your work related matter. So whatever you are working, we can expect there will be a lot gains regarding your work related matter. You will be able to save a lot of money because second house also represents savings, and fifth house is work, and tenth house is actual your career. So regarding your work related matter and your earnings related matter, we can expect you will have great result till 15th of May. After 15th May, we can expect when sun will move from your after 15th May, when sun will move from your second house to third house, then we can expect you will have great result regarding your efforts related matter. You will put a lot of effort regarding your work related matter. Whatever you are doing, if your work is somehow connected to communication and public dealing and sale purchase during, so after 15th May, we can expect you will have a lot of you will have a lot of growth, and you will have great result regarding all of this matter and your business related matter. Mercury controls your seventh house and your fourth house, and right now Mercury is starting from your first house in the sign of Pisces. Mercury will change two signs in the month of May. Like Mercury will move from your first house to your second house around 6 May 2025, and from your first house to your third house around 24th May 2025. But major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be transiting from your second house in the sign of Aries. Seventh house will be your marriage, your relationship, your spouse are seen from seventh house. Your partners, like if you have business partner, are seen from seventh house. Any work you are doing in partnership are seen from seventh house. Your fame somehow seen from seventh house. How you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others, also represented by seventh house. Fourth house will be your home, property, vehicle, your homeland, your conveniences, your comfort in life, how much comfort you will have, etc. Your homies, relationship with your homies also represented by fourth house. Your emotional state represented by fourth house. So your fourth house and seventh house lord is right now directing from your first house, but major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be into your second house, and second house will be your savings, your money matter, your bank account, etc. So you will have great result regarding your marriage related matter if you are married right now. But one thing is very important to mention in the section of Mercury is that Ketu is right now transiting from the sign of Mercury. But in the month of May, around 19th May, Ketu will move from your seventh house to your fifth house. Means Ketu will move from the sign of Mercury to the to your sixth house. So there will be a major difference in the result of Mercury. Good major difference, because Ketu was previously moving in the sign of Mercury from last 18th month. But in the month of May, Ketu will move from your seventh house to sixth house. Then after 19th May, we can expect you will have great result regarding your home, properties, vehicles, and which if you are facing some difficulties regarding your marriage, relationship related matter, this difficulties will be gone after 19th May, and you will have the great result regarding your relationship related matter, regarding your partnership related matter. If you are single, then there is very good opportunity. If you are single and looking for a spouse, then you will have good proposals after 19th May, and you can expect good proposal after 19th May 2025. Venus controls your 8th house and your third house, and right now Venus is starting from your first house in the sign of Pisces. Pisces sign considered as the exalted sign for Venus. Means Venus is right now in its exalted position in your first house. And from till the whole month of May, Venus will be stay into your first house. Eighth house deal with your longevity or chronic diseases. Your ups and downs in life are seen from eighth house. Sudden positive events, sudden negative events, secretive activity, your sexual organs, sexual relationship, etc. Your in-laws related matter are also represented by eighth house. Third house deal with your communication, your efforts, your hands skills, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, etc. So your third house and eighth house lord is right now present your first house in exalted position. Somehow you will get good news in the month of May regarding suddenly you will get great result because eighth house is right now involved and eighth house represents sudden good result also, sudden bad result also. But in the month of May, like Venus is present, it's exalted position, it's good position. That's why we can expect you will have sudden good result in the month of May, which whatever you are doing, like whatever you're expecting in the month of May, we can expect there will be a good result regarding all of that matter. Your third house lord is also present in the exalted position, so there will you will be passionately work, you will passionately do your work in the month of May. You will put good effort, and you will also get the revenue of that effort. Moon controls your fifth house, and right now moon is starting from your fourth house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard it's set according to 1st May 2025 because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe the result of Moon for every house in a single video. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit into your transit chart. First of all, whenever moon is starting near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days you can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties because these houses considered as the naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, like Sat and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days also you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into your life. And these problem and difficulties either could be a psychological or physical. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit into your transit chart. Mars controls your second house and your ninth house. And right now, Mars is present in the sign of Cancer into your fifth house. Means Mars is present in its debilitation sign because Cancer sign considered as a debilitation sign for Mars. Ninth house deal with your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your higher education, like your post-grad education, your religious matter, second marriage, etc. And second house deal with you. Second house deal with your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your family-related matters, your speech, your food intake habits are seen from second house, etc., etc. So your ninth house and second house lord will be in its weak position into your fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can learn things, your fun activities. If you are a sports person, then this thing will also be represented by fifth house. So your fifth house is right now in its weak state. If you are married right now and you have children, then you need to be very careful regarding your children's related matter. If you have any sincere love relationship, then try to avoid argumentation with your loved ones in the month of May because there are chances you may have to face some argumentation with your sincere love relationship and your children's. If you in both the cases you need to avoid communication as much you can and avoid anger related matters. If you are in education life, then there are chances you may face some disturbing result at your education related matter. But till Mars is moving into your fifth house, you need to try to avoid anger, try to avoid as much as communication with live fifth house living significance, like your children, like your lovers if you have any sincere love relationship, or your teachers, etc. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Pisces ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.